Right? Um, First off, you're going to you realize that some of them not filled in. She said that for the first one, for some reason I heard multiply when she was talking, but dividing these by 4 can work because you have 1 meter square plot and down here you have 0.5. So
That's what something I was asking.
right. So what I did was this. I just copied the column right here. Copy, go over, paste it. Right. When I paste it now, you divide 20 by 4, you're going to get 0.25. 20, you're going to divide it by 4 because these are 1 meter square. And out here, sorry, let me scroll down and show you. At these distances, we did it at 0.25 intervals, right? Like right here.
Oh, okay.
Right, we did it at 0.25.
So the only people that use a meter were the first couple.
Yeah, so the first set of data need to be divided by 4. So divided 20 divided by 4 will give you 5. You don't need to change these are alright. And these no, because
So would you then change this to 0.25?
give me a minute, let me highlight this. Sorry. If we change what to 0.25.
The quadrant number.
Alright, the quadrant number. Yeah, but at the same time you're not really going to be using the quadrant number. You don't really need it.
You don't need for the graph.
No.
Just the distance we're working with.
Right, so you don't need to do anything to the quadrant number. So yeah.
How long they went up to 0.1 meter with her?
Right here at the where you had the 14 meter. Yeah, because it's distance. Right, so you continue doing that until at the end of the day you get something looking like, sorry, let me show you man, this. Because you also divided the sargassum, the first couples for the sargassum, right here, and the ulva, vagina. All the highlighted one are the values that I had to
copy.
to divide.
So I divide the dictyota and whatever.
Alright. Dictyota is dictyota divided. What wasn't divided is the penicillus. Reason why? Because right here there was nothing at the 1 meter plot. 1 meter plot, this yellow line I used to mark off where the 1 meter square plot ended. So I highlighted that in yellow. Right?
Yeah.
Right. So going back to the raw data, let me show you something else. Alright. In order to get your graph, how you put your graph? I'm going to go on there. In order to get the graph properly, first of all, there are some spaces where you need to drop in zeros. So like right here, because as you see, as you can see, I put 0 right here because nothing was measured, nothing was found here, because it started off at 2. Right, so there was apparently nothing here, so I drop a fill in zeros right there, just to get somewhere for the lines to connect. Right, you're going to see what I mean. Right here now, you can see that this space was done. It's just that they didn't find some species, right? So in spaces like that, you can drop a 0. This was done as well, so you can drop a next 0. Alright, down here, no. This video I'm making it because I'm going to put it on YouTube so you can find it. Right here now, we're definitely right here. Where is it? Sorry, let me try to find a spot for example. Like right here, right at 22. Definitely, you can see by all the blank spots, 22 was not done at all. So you cannot put a 0 there at all. In areas where nothing was done, no measures were done, you cannot fill it in with a 0.
So you have to go through and manually put in 0.
Not everywhere. Let me tell you what I did. Let me show you mine. What I did was like, alright, right here, where Thalassia start, like where I started to the first Thalassia, I drop a 0 there, and I drop one right here where Thalassia it disappeared for a bit. Then I came back right here. You could probably drop in one more right here, I guess, if you feel like. But what I did for basically where Thalassia start first and ended right here, I dropped 0, and then I didn't put in zeros. But I guess I could drop one right here if I wanted to. I'm not doing it though. Right here again where you can see where Syringonium, you can drop a 0 right here. Where the first value for Halimeda. Right, where the first value is at. And then further down, it filled right out, so I didn't, well, stop right here, so at the last value, I put another 0 at the last value for the steering column. Right, so just to level it off. And you drop in zeros where you saw where you saw that things were taken,
It wasn't there.
but it just wasn't seen. So you drop in 0 in those places, right? I remember, this is where you're going to use the column that you divided for some of these. Well, Holly Media wasn't divided, so Holly Media good. Only my highlighted ones were divided. So at the end of the day, now you're going to have like examples. Highlight, that's how I say. Insert line, whichever line you feel like you. So yeah, I get a graphic like this. Remember say you need to specify you don't need this. It's not need to be there right now. Remember say you need to specify your value for the distance. So you're going to come here. I should show you for the depth first now, but whatever, afterwards. So you edit this. Yeah, or the already they should know. Yeah, all that's I'm not sure about it. So you come here, where is it? This distance? And you specify. Carry down to 18. So basically you go through and you're going to, this is what you're going to do for everything. After you sort out where you put in the zeros and whatnot, by the way. So I'm just put in one more just to get a feel. So I'm just adding string going here, sorry. Let's go back to the graph. Right click, select data. Add. And you add series name, whatever string go name. And then the value. Graph back in. Yeah. So you end up getting something like this. At the end of the day, everything you get, it will look piece up. But you don't want it like that. Because that really doesn't give anything. Which is why I tell you, put in some of the zeros. Because the zero help you to connect the end part of your graph when needed. The end part, like the first part. Right. So what you're going to do is this. Right click. You go back to select data. So right here, hidden and empty cells. Connect data points to the line.
Okay.
And the end of the day, you have that. You see? So everything is connected. So right now you could do it from the first one. If I do it right now still, I add another value. If I add another value to this graph, so select data. You can do that from the start. It really doesn't matter in what order you click that part. But so for example,
So you're going to put like all the
Holly Media.
all the three good all the whatever one graph.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah,
Sorry.
the other graph.
Apparently I made a mistake right there. This never highlight properly. Yeah, so see, it automatically connects them. For you click connect the data points, it automatically continues to it. So yeah, you may put everything by one graph. I'm gonna show you my graph. Look, where one. You could. The reason why I added 1-1.
When I do it that way, it come out weird.
Sometimes you have to modify like situation.
You do it weird.
Yeah.
You can use
I put everything on one. This is mine. I put everything on one. Everything. I just change the color to just not to make them look so chuck up. And then and then I put the depth over here by itself. So what I do at the end of the day is this. This is what I did for my last thing. Cause I couldn't bother. I just fling
Let me tell the
everything.
depth look.
Sorry, I opened the wrong side. The depth.
Yeah.
See there? Because I invert the axis.
Yeah, man. It's just.
Everybody should know how to invert the axis, so like this is a seminar again.
Now I see it has in actually see the whole. That's what the bottom is.
Some of it, yeah.
Where did this thing come from?
We don't know, but it was there.
Oh,
Do you remember that thing right there?
Yeah, that's what I did say there was a hole somewhere there. So,
there are
yeah.
places where she said I must always hammer to the ground. So I used to have to like when I was
So,
with them, like man,
yeah,
I move rock.
that's how we do it.
Oh.
And that's